Yo, yo, yo. What up, YouTube BX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, ipod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as only using the tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy. So you can see in front of me, we have the Nintendo Switch Lite. This is the Teal. Now, just to give you guys a little heads up, this already has been opened, used, and freaking set up. You know how kids are. They want to get right into the games and everything like that. I'm only able to actually do this video because it's my son's time to go to bed. It's 11 p.m. He's in bed. So that's the reason I'm able to do this. But I'm going to give you a fast little unboxing with this. So let's just open it real quick, show you what's in it. I just left like his charging stuff, like the charging stuff inside his room. I was gonna go about doing that. So yeah. Just push this right here. So this is basically what comes inside the box. Just move the box right here for a second. Take this out. Normally there's an extension cord in there. Well, not an extension cord, the power supply. But whole purpose of this video is for a little fast unboxing, a little fast review towards it. So yeah, just bear with me for a second while I struggle to get the box into the box. Okay, so this is basically it right here. Nintendo Switch Lite. Got it in the Teal. Basically, it matches my keyboard. See right here. Now, as I was setting everything up for him, I do love it. As you can see, I do have a screen protector on there. But yeah, I'm actually enjoying his Switch. I have my own Nintendo Switch, but for some reason, this just feels really comfortable. And I know the feeling towards this Nintendo Switch. Like, I'm gonna get into it in a second, but I know how this feels directly. But this is his little casing stuff right here. So let's just open this up really quick, get his stuff put on it. I might throw some custom buttons on it like I'll have on mine's, just to give him a little bit of bling and dazzle on his. But here's the case. I had to basically struggle to get this thing off. This thing is a tight fit, just getting it in here. Okay. I mean, this is a tight fit, just in general trying to get this case on here. So let's fight to get it in. Damn, this shit is tight. And that's not what she said. That's what I said. Like, bro, it is that hard to get it in. Kind of like how my girl is. Anyways. Oh, man. Okay, let's see if we can just try to inch it in. The struggle is real. The struggle is real. There we go. Got one side in. Come on. God damn. Come on. Get in there. Okay, there we go. Fits like a glove. A very tight glove. A glove that's going to stop the circulation. Anyways. Yeah, this feels kind of good. Feels kind of good. I do like the feeling towards it. It reminds me of my Nintendo Switch. So this is basically his case right here. We got his games already inside of here. Right there. Got one game already set up. We got to get him a memory card. So this is his little setup right there. Get that in. Got his little Zelda cloth right there. So there we go right here. So he got his little Zelda cloth right there. Screen pouch like that. He wanted his just like mine's. I think I'm gonna throw a little bit of buttons and stuff on there. Like, I wore my buttons out because I heavily play on my Nintendo Switch, especially playing Fortnite and Road Company, stuff like that. But Yeah, let's just get this back out here. Put that over to the side real quick. Throw that here with this. I'm just gonna pop out mines really quick. Which this is mines sitting right here. I'm just gonna pop that out really quick. As you can see, I got all my extra accessories, and I just dropped something on the floor, which was my memory card reader. But this is my Nintendo Switch right here, and I just popped one of my buttons off, which is no problem. I can always put some more adhesive on there. No problem, no problem. So this is mine's, the big boy. It's just, I don't know why, his just feel more comfortable. If I want the comfortness like his, I'll just throw this one here, which this does have the hump, the bump right there. So just take this and put it in there. So slide in there. I do have other bumps and stuff like that, but I just prefer using this a little bit better. Like that. And this is pretty much how I will go with the day of using mine, because I do have that bump. Probably can't even see it, but I love it like that because it gives me more control. I can actually play my games a little bit better just because of this little hump right there. As you can see, there's a big bump right there, silicone, and it's like, yeah, it's playable, but I like mine's like that just because of that. Alright guys, thank you for watching. It's your boy Daddy Easy here, ipod jailbreak hacker, only using me time marks. So remember, live it, love it, game it, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace, and I'm out of here.